Hey there guys, how's it going? Yeah, what we're going to be talking about today is the Cooking Concepts Deluxe BBQ Spatula. Yeah, now this is my Thor hammer to me. I love this spatula. This spatula is really great for barbecuing, and I mean, if you're cooking burgers, if you're cooking sausages, chicken, carne asada, anything you're cooking outside on the barbecue, you can't do without this baby. This is really good. I love barbecue. Anybody who knows me, anybody who's spent any kind of summers around where at my house or anywhere we are at the park or anything knows that I am a big avid barbecuer. I just love the concept of it in every aspect. I like it a lot. And this guy goes with me to every barbecue. Have to have it. Okay, first of all, it's very, very light, but sturdy. I love that. It really makes for a really, really handy tool. It makes it like not flimsy, so you don't have to worry about the handle breaking or the meat or anything being too hard or rough, for this. Okay, so this is, I think, stainless steel, and this is a sturdy plastic, but it is, I mean, I've had this forever, and it just keeps on going. Okay, it has these griddle things here for, like, if you're scooping up, say, burgers or things like that, or big clumps of meat or something, especially like hamburgers that have like a lot of grease, you're picking it up, and then the grease and everything, well, it could fall through, and make it a lot healthier, because you don't get all that grease in there. This part here, you can use to open up bottles and things, just like that, and the coup de grace, the thing that really makes this my favorite item, I mean, when I'm barbecuing, is this edge here. Look at that edge. Look at that. You see? That is dangerous for meat. That is really good. It makes it so you can chop up meat right here. You don't have to go off and get another tool. You can be like pow, 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 and you can chop sausages. You can chop slabs of ham and beef and burgers, anything. You can cut and make slices of really nice meat if you're making steaks or something. This works really good, and it's very sharp, so you want to keep this out of reach of children, but a barbecuer would love to have that. That is a really good knife at the end of this. They probably have these out there, but I've only seen this one for some reason. Yeah, so when I saw this at the store, I jumped on it. I love this spatula. It really, really did me well. I mean, I was very, very big on the plastic spatulas before, but they will always tend to break, the handles, to me anyway. And I don't want to buy some really harsh industrial strength, big time military spatula or something, just to make my stuff with. So I came upon this one, and it really did the job. And you can see at the end of here, it has this edge that's kind of sharpened also. Not real sharp, but just sharp enough to get a nice scoop in there, when you want to slice up, up on the burger and get up underneath it real good. See that edge? Nice. Yeah, I like it. And it's very easy to clean. I mean, it's really, really easy to clean. I mean, it scrubs down. I mean, I'm very careful with my utensils that I use to do my barbecuing and stuff, so I'm not real rough with them. I'm not going to be scraping the grill with this, like, like that, so I don't have a whole lot of nicks and scratches and stuff on it. I like to keep them nice because I want to keep them for a long time. So this is just for the meat. You know, I know a lot of people are kind of rough with their utensils and they get in there and scratch and even clean the barbecue grill with them, but no, I don't do that. I'm sure this could do it, but I don't want to use it that way. But yeah, this is really good and I love this edge. This is really, really nice. I don't see a downside, not yet, and I've had this for a good long while and it is the bomb. I like it a lot. Yeah. Well, guys, I hope you use this information. And this is the Cooking Concepts Deluxe BBQ Spatula. Hope you use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.